What are the nitty gritty for anybody that wants to start a business? Now you said you've cleared it out the importance of setting up a business plan. For anybody that wants to start that doesn't know what to start writing or what to start scribbling down as his business plan, what are the steps you think you can give as a direction for putting down a business plan?
I keep going back to first question is what are the problems you're trying to solve? So let's say I want to solve problems of there are 10 million children in Nigeria that are not in school.
Okay.
So I want to solve educational problems. Okay. So I want to set up a nursery school. All right. So the first question in my business plan is this nursery school, where will it be? That's Nigeria. So I need to first identify the problem of those 10 million children in Nigeria. That's step one. Step two, who are the people currently solving this problem? And why is there a gap of 10 million children? Is it that the schools are not enough? Or the schools are too expensive? Or there are schools in locations and there are some schools, or there are some locations that don't have schools. So I must be able to quantify the industry. So the first is Nigeria. The second is the industry. Then the third one will now be based on number one and number two. Where am I going to put my own school in such a way that it will succeed? So that will be step number 3. Step number 4, based on where I'm going to put my own school, how much money am I going to need? Is it for rent? Is it for equipment? Is it for salaries? Step number 5, what kind of people am I going to need to work with me? How many classes am I setting up? How many teachers do I need? Step number 6, based on all of these things, how much am I going to charge? Who am I targeting? Who are the people that will be able to afford what I'm going to charge? How many of them can I get? And based on all of this, I have to now drop a financial plan. What is the income that will come? What are the expenses? And what is the profits? And when am I going to get to a profit point? Because when you start, you don't start by making money. You start by losing money. So the question is, how long will it take you to move from when you start losing money to when you start making money? And then you now need to do what you call scenario analysis, which is that if this thing I planned to take me 6 months, if it takes 18 months, can I survive? Can I keep paying salaries for 18 months? So those are the things that you need to put in a business plan.